More than 500 students and families attended the annual Game Changers Conference this past Saturday at the universities at Shady Grove. The event, which promotes successful outcomes for male youth, is a partnership between many organizations to include MCPS, USG, and the Unity Christian Fellowship.
The fellowship, they have just been such great partners and really getting our students to see that the sky is the limit for them.
We're starting the first hour and a half, our life skills station, how to tie a tie, how to do a 30-second interview, how to do a proper handshake, and today we included a fitness component. Being a game changer is having our young people change their mental mind map to strive for excellence in all areas of their life. We want them to get in the zone and strive for excellence.
Students and parents had the opportunity to hear from dynamic speakers and attend a variety of breakout sessions to foster positive behaviors, insights, and mindsets.
But a great attitude causes you to soar.
The event fosters confidence building, courage, leadership, role modeling. It's also socialization, so the boys are having a lot of fun.
You have to interject opportunities like this in order to make a difference in their lives. They're being taught how to invest in themselves and create that solid foundation, and that's power.
It's helped me be able to speak to my elders, helped me be able to speak to those in the community, professionals.
And we are here to mentor and to assist them. We want to make sure that they know that they are valued, that they are appreciated, and that they have much to contribute to society.
Helping them to prosper and thrive, that's what I hope that every single one of our students will walk away with today. Not only the self-confidence, the knowledge, the skills to be able to be that game changer for themselves, but also to help someone else who might need that additional support.
I thought it was a good opportunity to come here to learn new things.
I learned how to tie a tie. I'm learning how to be an actual man and learning about our culture.
I'm learning different ways how to be successful.